Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AMD error 1603, driver install failed. The first thing you want to do is to go on your Windows icon and type in CMD. Once you see this, go where it says run as administrator. Once this opens, you need to type in this command, exactly as it is. dism.exe space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. Press enter and the process will begin. After it's done, make sure you restart your computer and try to see if it works again. And if you're still having problems, then you can try this. You can go on your Windows icon, then right click, go where it says settings. Under settings, go under apps, and under apps, search for C++. Once you see this, scroll down. When you see this installation, go on each one and click on modify and click on repair. Do for every single these C++ programs. Once you're done, restart your computer and try again, and you're done.